based on VBT, explain hybridization, geometry, and magnetic property. Of first one, CONH3 taken 6 times whole to the power of 3 plus second one COF6 whole to the power of 3 minus third one NiCN taken 4 times whole to the power of 2 minus fourth one NiCl taken 4 times whole to the power of 2 minus. For that take hybridization sp3d2 geometry octahedral. D2sp3 octahedral. sp3 and dsp2 hybridization. sp3 hybridization tetrahedral. D2sp3 square planar. Magnetic property. No unpaired electrons. Diamagnetic property. If contains unpaired electrons, then it is paramagnetic property. Check one by one. First one, CONH3 whole to the power of C1H3 taken 6 times whole to the power of 3 plus. So first you take central element, that is cobalt. CO. Atomic number 27. Electronic configuration argon 4s2 3d7. Oxidation state +3. Electronic configuration for that. Electronic configuration for CO3 plus is argon 4s0 3d6. Remove 2 electrons here and 1 electron here. Now write orbital diagram. 3d6 electrons, 4s0. 6 electrons, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Here NH3 is a strong ligand. Hence, electrons fill in the orbital against Hund's rule. Then argon 3d6 4s0 So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We required 6 empty orbitals required because 6 NH3 ligands. We have only 3, remaining 3 from 4p. So then 3d6, 4p0, 4s0 and 4p0. So d orbital 6, 4s and 4p, p orbital 3. So now 6 electrons in 3d. So then we'll get 6 empty orbital. This 6 empty orbital undergoes hybridization, forms 6 new hybrid orbitals, that is d2 sp3. So in each d2 sp3 hybrid orbital takes lone pair of electrons from ligand, forms a coordinate covalent bond. So now hybridization, geometry, magnetic property. Hybridization d2sp3. When d2sp3 hybridization, then octahedral geometry. Octahedral geometry. Magnetic property, see, observe here, no unpaired electrons, that's why diamagnetic property. Next, second one, COF6 whole to the power of 3 minus. Cobalt, atomic number 27, electronic configuration argon 4s2 3d7, oxidation state +3. So for CO3 plus argon 4s0 3d6, orbital diagram 3d6 4s0. Six electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 0. Here F minus is ligand. It is a weak ligand. It is a weak ligand. Hence, electrons fill in the orbital according to Hund's rule. So only one empty orbital will get, total 6 empty orbitals required. 6 empty orbitals required because 6 F minus ligand. So for that we are going to take 4p and 4d. So CO3 plus argon 3d6 4s0 4p0 4d0. Three d6 4s 4p 40. Here 6 electrons according to Hund's rule 5 6. So 6 empty orbitals required, 1 from 4s, 3 from 4p, 2 from 4d. So these 6 empty orbitals undergoes hybridization, forms hybrid orbitals. 6 hybrid orbitals, that is sp3d2 hybrid orbitals. Each sp3 hybrid orbital takes lone pair of electrons from the ligand, forms coordinate covalent bond. So here hybridization, geometry and magnetic property. Hybridization is sp3d2 geometry when sp3d2 octahedral geometry. Magnetic property here 4 unpaired electrons, that's why paramagnetic property. Next, third one, NiCN taken 4 times whole to the power of 2 minus. Nickel is the central atom, atomic number 28, electronic configuration argon 4s2 3d8. Oxidation number of nickel 2 plus for 2 plus, argon 4s0 3d8. So orbital diagram 3d 4s0. d orbital has 8 electrons, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here Cn minus is a strong ligand, hence electrons fill in the orbital according to against Hund's rule. Then Na2 plus, so argon 4s0 3d8. So d orbital 3d8 4s0. 8 electrons 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We required 4 empty orbitals because 4 Cn minus ligand. Here we have only 2 remaining, 2 from 4p, 4p0. So these 4 empty orbitals, undergoes hybridization, forms hybrid orbitals. It is dsp2 hybrid orbital. Each dsp2 hybrid orbital takes electrons from the Cn minus ligand, forms coordinate covalent bond. Now hybridization dsp2, then geometry when it is dsp2 square planar. Magnetic property here all are paired electrons, that's why diamagnetic property. Next, fourth one, NiCl4 whole to the power of 2 minus. Central element nickel, atomic number 28, electronic configuration argon 4s2 3d8. Oxidation number 2 plus, then electronic configuration argon 4s0 3d8. d orbital 8 electrons 4s0. So d orbital 8 electrons 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So here Cl minus is weak ligand, then electrons fill in the orbital according to Hund's rule. Then Na2 plus argon 3d8 4s0, take 4p0 also. So it is 3d8 4s 4p. So 8 electrons according to Hund's rule. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We required 4 empty orbitals because 4 Cl minus ligands. So those four, one is S, remaining 3p. These 4 orbitals undergoes hybridization, forms sp3 hybrid orbitals. Each sp3 hybrid orbitals takes electrons from the Cl minus ligand, forms a coordinate covalent bond. That's why here hybridization is sp3 geometry. When hybridization is sp3, geometry is tetrahedral geometry. Then magnetic property. So observe here there are unpaired electrons, 2 unpaired electrons. That's why it is paramagnetic property.